we are going to learn about how we can get Gemini API keys, right? Actually, there are a lot of LLM models, right? And the use of LLM models, we already know we can create a lot of content. We can create images, we can create videos using these different LLM models, right? And to access these models, there are two ways. One is directly in the chat, which already available, and second thing, at scale, if you want to use in all our systems, essentially we need API keys, right? So today we will talk about how we can get the Gemini API key. So essentially you have to type ai.google.dev/AI Studio. That's the URL you have to type in your browser, and you will be able to you will be actually landing on this page, right? What are the different actually benefits of having Gemini API? So essentially, you can have 1 million token context window. What do you mean by token context window? Is like you can input a lot of text. I mean, 1 million is like approximately 750,000 words you can input as a input, right? And there will be output for that. We'll get Gemini API key. It's free of cost, and you can get a lot of from gallery as well for this Gemini, right? So let's get started. I'll click on sign into Google AI Studio. Let's see, and we'll land on the Gemini dashboard, AI Studio dashboard actually. And here we'll see somewhere the option about API key. Right here you can see this option of get API key. Um, Once I click on this option, get API key, I'll get some this kind of thing. Right here, I'll get a code somewhere. Again, here I'll also have the option to create API key. You have to click here. All right, that's what we have to click. Now here we actually don't have any project, right? So we can create. Let's say we have created this project, Gemini API, or many times actually it creates its own projects as well. So essentially, if I click create API key in existing project, it will create that project automatically. So this is the API key for Gemini, right? What you have to do is this is the API key you can input in your while requesting to Gemini, and once you request with prompt, actually you will get the output using Gemini. So that is the whole process. And here below as well, you will see this is the API key which we actually created on August 20, which is actually today, right? And this is the project number as well. So that is how we can create the Gemini API key. Thank you very much, guys. We'll also create lot of videos on how you can use these API keys. Like there's one of the platform which is agiagentworld.com. On that platform, actually, you use these API keys and you can create like LinkedIn posts for free and publish those posts free of course without any charges. So that's huge advantage, right? If you are looking to grow your LinkedIn follows,